If you too have been duplicating your proposal template in order to send a custom proposal to your client, then please stop. This is not the right way to send a custom proposal to your client via Dubsado. Let me show you what is. Hi, I'm Deepthi, a certified Dubsado specialist, a content creator, and mom. And in today's video, we're exploring what's the right way of sending a custom proposal and contract to a client in Dubsado. If you are short on time, there are timestamps in the description below for you to jump to a particular section. Let's begin. Now, I am assuming that you already have a proposal and a contract template there in your templates section in the forms area in your Dubsado. Now, you do not have to duplicate or make a copy of your proposal. Click on it, go inside, edit it, make changes, save it. No, this is not the right way. I'll close it for now and delete this copy. What I'll do is I'll go to projects and find my client project. Currently, let's say he's in leads area. Now, if you have a workflow already in your Dubsado, you can simply go to the workflows section, find the workflow that sends out the proposal and the contract. For me, it is the booking workflow, which automatically sends the contract and the proposal plus the invoice. I'll click on apply, and what this does is it brings the proposal and the contract template directly to my Dubsado for this particular project. To quickly check it and edit it, I'll go to my forms section. If you don't have a workflow in your Dubsado, what you can manually do is click on this add new form drop down button, pick your proposal, let's say this one, and then manually add it to the project. Now, this is the second proposal that I manually brought in. And here is how you can customize your proposal now. We'll hover over this proposal section and you can see we have the options of view, send, edit, apply to portal, copy and download options along with the delete button. I'll click on edit button. Now, once the proposal is open, you can go ahead and edit all the sections that you want to edit. For example, this image or the content in this area, about me section, or the social media links, or add relevant samples or examples of portfolio meant for this project. And to edit a package for this client, the amount or the description of what's included, what we can do is click on the edit button here. As you can see, there's an edit package option on the left hand side of your screen. To edit the amount, let's say I click on edit package, click on this drop down button and again click on edit. This gives me the option of adding anything for this particular section. Let's say I want this amount to be changed to $500. I'll click on save item. I can rename this package as well. Let's say social media package, and I'll click on save item. Once I'm done and I'm happy, I can click on apply button here and all of my relevant changes are made here. Once you're happy, you can check one more time and remember to save and close before you close this window. Dubsado does not auto save anything at all, and I don't want you to lose out on your progress. Now, this is step one of this entire process. What's the step of customizing your Dubsado contract as well? So as you can see, the contract, I don't know why, is on the left-hand side of this forms section. And in order to change or make edits to this particular contract for this client, I click on this drop-down menu and click on edit option. This will open up the entire contract for me to make edits in. And once I'm done and happy with the changes that I've made for this client, I can save and close it. Your proposal and contract are now 100% customized for your client, this particular client named as beta client. And all you need to do now is send it. If you have a workflow sending these for you, you can simply go ahead, click on approve button, and it will automatically send the proposal, contract and invoice as one button over email to your client. In case you do not have workflows yet in your Dubsado, you can manually do so. In order to send this proposal, contract and an invoice together, I'll go and click on the send option. As you can see, my button here is already there along with the book your package. Whatever proposal name you give will appear as the button for your proposal. You can customize this email, but if you have a canned email, simply click here, find the email, let's say this one, and it will automatically pick up the canned email and send it to your client. Once you are ready, click on send and it will automatically send the email. Now, before we wrap up the video, here's a Dubsado tip of the week. Before you can send Dubsado proposal, contract, and invoice as one link, one button in your email, you have to make the following 2 edits in your Dubsado proposal. Go to your proposal and in the settings area, check mark 2 options. One, include contract, and specify which agreement do you want to pick for this particular proposal, and then click on include invoice. This enables the contract and the invoice to be shown as the consecutive next sections after your client has submitted or accepted the proposal. Also, you can go ahead and allow the clients to choose multiple packages instead of one, allow discounts if you offer any, and do make sure to save your progress as you go. That's it for this video. Let me know if this helped you, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll help you. And if you too are learning Dubsado, make sure you subscribe to my channel and join my free Facebook group community meant for Dubsado beginners for beginner-friendly videos, tutorials, and answers to some frequently asked questions. Meet you in the next video. Bye! Hi, I'm Deepti. I'm a